Have you ever wondered about the secrets behind the things we see every day, or even the extraordinary things that leave us in awe? Welcome to Why This Thing, the channel where we uncover fascinating facts about everyday objects and incredible creations. Today, we're diving into one of history's greatest mysteries: how the Pyramid of Giza was built. The Pyramid of Giza is located just outside Cairo, Egypt. It's the largest of the three pyramids on the Giza Plateau, originally built as a tomb for Pharaoh Khufu over 4,500 years ago. Standing at about 146 meters tall when it was built, it remained the tallest man-made structure for over 3,800 years. Despite centuries of study, no one knows exactly how the ancient Egyptians moved massive stones, some weighing over 2 tons, into place without modern machinery. The precision is mind-blowing. The blocks fit so perfectly that even a knife blade can't slide between them. And yet, there is an answer to how it was built. But it's not easy to uncover, because the Egyptians left no detailed blueprints, and much of their knowledge was lost over millennia. Some historians believe ramps were used, straight, zigzag, or spiral. Others suggest a system of levers and counterweights. Recent discoveries hint at water lubrication or even internal ramps inside the pyramid. The Great Pyramid is made of over 2 million limestone and granite blocks. Transporting them from quarries hundreds of kilometers away is still a feat we struggle to imagine today. On top of that, it's perfectly aligned with the cardinal points, north, south, east, and west, with astonishing precision. While the exact method remains debated, modern research and experiments show that it was possible with incredible planning, engineering, and human effort. The pyramid isn't just a tomb, it's a testament to human ingenuity. If you loved uncovering this secret, imagine what other everyday things hold mind-blowing facts. Stay tuned to Why This Thing, because next, we'll reveal some astonishing truths about ordinary objects you use every day. Facts so surprising, you'll never look at them the same way again.